Have you ever pondered the impact of Alzheimer's disease on life? It's a question that demands attention, for Alzheimer's is a formidable adversary. This disease, a ruthless thief of memory, thinking skills, and the ability to perform the simplest of tasks, is the most common cause of dementia among older adults. It's important to understand that Alzheimer's is not simply a consequence of aging. Rather, it's a progressive and irreversible brain disorder that slowly erodes an individual's cognitive abilities, ultimately stealing their independence. It's a disease that doesn't discriminate, affecting millions across the globe, disrupting lives and dismantling families. Alzheimer's disease is serious and its impact is profound. It's more than forgetting a name or misplacing keys. It's about losing the ability to remember your loved ones, to think clearly, or to live independently. This is the harsh reality of Alzheimer's disease. Now, the question arises, how can you improve your brain health and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease? Well, the answer lies mostly in your lifestyle choices. Let's start with regular physical activity. Exercise is not only good for your body, but also for your brain. It increases blood flow, which can improve brain function and stimulate the growth of new brain cells. Moving on to diet. A well-balanced diet that's low in saturated fats and high in fruits, vegetables, and lean protein can help protect your brain. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and nuts are especially good for brain health. But it's not just about physical health. Mental stimulation is equally important. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, like reading, puzzles, or learning a new skill. This keeps your brain active and can help delay the onset of Alzheimer's disease. Quality sleep is another key factor. During sleep, your brain works to consolidate memories and clear out harmful toxins, so ensure you're getting enough restful sleep each night. Lastly, regular checkups are essential. Early detection of health issues can greatly reduce your risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Regular screenings can catch any potential problems early, allowing for effective treatment. Remember, your brain is like a muscle. The more you exercise it and feed it properly, the stronger and healthier it becomes. We've covered quite a bit today, so let's quickly summarize. Alzheimer's disease is a serious and growing concern, but remember, improving our brain health can significantly reduce the risk. We discussed various ways to do this, from maintaining a balanced diet, regular physical and mental exercise, to quality sleep and stress management. These steps are not just beneficial for our brain, but for overall health too. Take care of your brain, as it is the command center for your body. A healthy brain means a healthy life, free from the risk of Alzheimer's disease.